Want to make YouTube Shorts but don't have any footage to start with? No worries. Filmora has a built-in text-to-video feature that lets you create shorts from just a simple description. Here's how to use it on your iPad, step by step. Let's jump in. First, open the Filmora app on your iPad. From the home screen, tap on the text-to-video feature to get started. Now, you'll see a space to write your video idea. Just type a short description of what you want your video to be about. For example, 3 tips for studying better or fun facts about space. Once you're done, tap the arrow icon to open the settings. Here, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. That's the perfect format for shorts. Next, choose your preferred video duration and pick your favorite music and voice options from the list. When everything looks good, tap the back arrow to return to the main screen. Now, just hit the generate button, and that's it. Filmora will create your short automatically based on your description and settings. Once the video is ready, you can preview it, make small edits if needed, and upload it directly to YouTube. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more content creation tips like this one. Thanks for watching.